What is dependency in the state of Florida, and how are you affected? Hello, I'm attorney Paul John Scanziani, and I can answer that question for you because I'm an attorney with over 10 years of experience in this area of the law. I'm married to a judge who I've been with for almost 30 years, and we've helped numerous clients handle dependency and other child-related issues, whether they have a happy marriage or there's separation or you are divorced. Dependency in Florida is a process where the state of Florida takes your children temporarily in order to make sure that they have a safe environment where they're living. Sometimes the Department of Children and Families, DCF, is called to report an abuse. Maybe one spouse is abusing another spouse and the children are observing that. Maybe one spouse or both spouses are not feeding the children, are using physical abuse, using sexual abuse. Many different factors can come into play in dependency. Some of the times, give you an example, we've seen where one spouse has a mental issue, where they need counseling or need medication or whatever it may be, and the other spouse is not protecting the children and letting the children be in a dangerous environment. So perhaps you are a spouse that's a victim. Perhaps you're a spouse that isn't doing anything wrong toward your children, but one or both parents may get charged in a dependency hearing because what's most important is the safety of the children. And if the state of Florida has been advised that the children are not safe in this environment, there's going to be an investigation to make sure that they are safe. The whole process should be resolved within 3 to 12 months. Sometimes it goes much further than that. It's imperative that you speak to an attorney that has experience working in dependency in order to make sure that the state follows their rules and that you and your rights have been allowed in due process in order to be able to get your children back if that's what you want. There's also a process that if you want to give up your children to the state, you can. You can terminate your parental rights. And you can also see if maybe a grandmother, an aunt, or some other person that you're familiar with wants to adopt the children because you mentally, physically, whatever the reason is, can't be their parent legally. Somebody else could take on that responsibility. This is a complex area of the law that you need good guidance on. And for me, it's something that when it deals with children is one of the most important areas of the law. So make sure that you speak to someone that can give you good counsel and have a perspective that will benefit you and your family. Hopefully you know a little bit more about dependency and how it relates to transactions in Florida and children. Feel free to reach out to us to get any additional information about dependency, family law, any real estate issue, and reach out to us for a free consultation. Thank you so much.